At summer night camp at Valley Bible Church, we stepped through the mist into Rainforest Falls, where 238 kids went on a life-changing adventure exploring the nature of God. God is our creator.
Trust God!
God knows everything.
Trust God!
God is our safe place.
Trust God!
God is love.
Trust God!
God is forever.
Trust God!
Exploration was possible because of the 173 courageous volunteers. Thank you to all our amazing teams. 50 crew leaders led kids through 5 nights of rainforest rotations, including worship and singing at Sing and Play Toon Lagoon, while 140 gallons of water flowed over our homemade waterfall, digging into the day's Rooted Bible adventures, exploring God's creation through science at Imagination Station, playing cooperation games that reinforced the day's Bible point, learning practical Bible study skills with their very own Book of Psalms in sticky scripture. And we were thunderstruck by the true missions story. The Canopy and Cascade crews contributed to our Planting Hope missions project, along with Cupcakes for a Cause sales. We raised over $6,000. Thank you for venturing with us through Rainforest Falls Summer Night Camp. The exploration continues every Sunday at Valley Bible Church. We will see you soon.
Trust God.